Hi guys, so I've actually decided to record myself opening a paper trading account so that you can watch it at your free time instead of me coming on Zoom. So let's get started. So what you can do now is go to my Invest with Usha Telegram chat. On the 12th of Jan, I would have sent you the link to TD Ameritrade paper trading account. So just click on the link and the link should actually bring you to the ThinkorSwim paper trading registration page. So it should be register for paper money, ThinkorSwim. It should be a black background. Okay. Do you have an existing TD Ameritrade account? You can put it as no. And then just follow the process, enter the image text. I've actually filled in the form here. Choose a user ID. I've put in Usha. I'm just going to put one. Password is there. All right. And then okay, uh, you don't have to give your actual addresses. Usually I just put Singapore, zip code 00, because this is a paper trading account. But of course, when you open your actual actual money account, you have to give the actual details because they have to do due diligence. Okay, for the purpose of paper trading, we can just not give our real details here. Okay, so what products are you interested in trading? um, Equities, options, exchange traded fund. I don't usually do futures and forex on ThinkorSwim, so I'm just taking this three. How many years of trading experience do you have? You can choose how many years, up to you. For the purpose of opening a paper trading, I'm just putting in 0 because some of you here might have 0 years of trading experience, so I'm just going to put 00. Do you have an existing brokerage account? I'm just going to put no. Okay, and then we're just going to click the submit button. Oh, this is invalid. I'm just going to refresh that. 259702. Okay, so once you've done that and press the submit button, okay, it should bring you to this page. Okay, previously I did it, so I'm just going to show that to you, right, since it's taking a bit of time there. Okay, so it should bring you to this page and it will tell you to install the Think Desktop. So how do you go about installing the Think Desktop is you click on the instructions. Okay, you click on this. If you're Windows, if you're a Mac user, please click on this and then it will start downloading the desktop version for you. I prefer to use the desktop version when I'm actually trading. It's easier. I feel safer using the desktop version. You can use the app. You can download the app on your phone. I do have the app on the phone, but I usually just use it to monitor. I do not take trades on the phone. All right. So once this is done, just follow the installation process and you should be good to go. I will do another video on how to navigate the platform, how to place trades, how to look for your companies that you want to trade with um, shortly after this, and I will also share it with you. All right. Hi guys, so this is the second video that I'm doing for you to see how to navigate the platform. I hope you have actually downloaded the platform. If you have downloaded, you would have received this. Once you click on the application, this thing will pop up and you just say, do you want to allow this app to make changes? Just put yes, and it should bring you to ThinkorSwim, the application. For those who have yet to still download, you would have actually received an email once you've created your paper trading. So in the email itself, they've actually given you the download links. So you can also just create from the email links itself. Yeah. Okay, so let's see if this is working now. Sorry. Yep. Okay, so I'm just gonna login, ensure it's paper trading, so it can be live trading or paper trading. So we're gonna do paper trading. Okay, login. So when you log in, this is how the paper account looks. Okay, so for if you're logging in for the first time, it will ask you to agree to all their disclosures. This is a standard procedure. You just got to agree, accept, and proceed. Okay, so once that is done, so this is how your platform works. You will see it is a simulated trading. Slightly delayed data because it's paper trading, but it does follow the actual markets. All right, just that the data might be slightly delayed by a few seconds or so, maybe. Yeah, so they have given you buying power, net liquidity of $200,000. So you can use this money to trade. This is paper trading, so it's not your actual money. But what I usually suggest is to use the amount that you think you will be trading with. So let's say if you have an initial capital of 10,000 that you're looking to trade, try only to use 10,000 instead of using all of the 200,000 which is given by the account, because um, usually when you take more trades with the $200,000, it may not be an actual representation of how you actually perform in your trades. So I would suggest use the amount that you would be actually using in your actual paper money. So if you only have a budget of 10,000 to work around with, then buy um, buy stocks which is within that budget, right, within your budget, and see how it works for you. Okay, so if you see on the let me just explain what this is. So net liquidity and day trades, this is how much, okay, once you have taken any trades, it will show you the amount here. This is how much when you liquidate your whole account, this is how much you get back. So this is how much. Now we don't have any trades placed, so it will be 200,000 is what, if I were to liquidate all my trades, this is what I can take back from the account. All right, so let's say you have put in $10,000 and you've taken trades of say up to $5,000, and your trades are making a profit of $2,000. That would give you a $7,000 in total, plus the initial plus the 5,000 you already have in account, which is the balance. So your net liquidity would be about $12,000. So that's what you would see here. Okay, if you were to liquidate the trades. Okay, cash and sweep vehicle is how much balance you have that you can trade with. So like I said, if you initially had $10,000 and if you have used 5,000 to trade, it will show you 5,000 here because there's the balance 5,000 that you have that you can use to take on more trades. Okay, so it's basically the balance amount, cash and sweep vehicle. Okay, the cash that you still have balance. Option buying power. Uh, you will, depending on your account size, some of you might have a leverage tool here, meaning the account itself will give you more than the top $10,000 that you have pumped in. Sometimes it will show $12,000, which means ThinkorSwim actually giving you a leverage of $2,000 extra to trade. Basically what you're doing is you're loaning the money from ThinkorSwim to trade. All right, do keep record of what you're trading so that you know how much money you're using for your trades. Okay, all right, so here you can see daily news. So let's say if you're following a particular company, let's say Facebook, right, you can see, okay, so Metaform, so you can see all the Facebook news here. So you can click on any of this and it will pop up. Okay, there'll be a pop-up window and you can actually read the news. So that's very useful. All right, and it also tells you how much Facebook is trading at and what are all the news related to Facebook for the day. This is where you can actually watch CNBC. Now the markets are closed when I'm actually recording this video, so you will not be able to watch it now, but when the markets are open, you can watch CNBC live here. Okay, and I love this feature. This is your watch list. So here is where you can create your watch list. So what I usually do, I'm just going to customize. You can customize. Okay, let's continue with the watch list. Okay, so when you go to your watch list, you can create watch lists, and you can name your watch list. So you can put it as favorites. Okay, and then you can start adding your symbols. Okay, it will automatically come in. All right, that's it. Okay, you can just save, and it appears here. So as and when you want to create a new watch list, you can just enter the ticker of the company, and it will automatically create for you with the price and what's or not. If you want to do any changes, you can go here and customize what other things that you want to see. All right. All right, just feel free to play around with the platform. It's a paper trading account, so no issues. All right. Okay, with that being said, now let's see how to monitor and trade. So this is the monitor tab. Under the monitor tab, here's where you will be able to see all the trades that you've taken. So let's say you have taken some trades, and it has been filled, it will be shown here. You'll have the trades here. Now we don't have anything here because I've not taken any trades. Under the trade tab is where you can go in to take a trade. So I'm going to enter FB. So, and you see it appearing. So Meta Platforms, FB has changed its name to Meta Platforms. As of yesterday, the market is not open today. So, but as of yesterday, the market closed at $294 per share for Facebook. So if you are going to place a trade for Facebook, what you got to do, if you're going to buy the shares in the market, all you need to do is just click on this and do a buy. All right, and this little pop-up window will appear. So you got to check, ensure that it's stock, buy. Here, by default, the platform gives you 100, but if you're not planning to purchase 100 shares, you can always edit it. Okay, later I'm going to show you how to do the default setting. You can default set to 1 also. I will be showing you that. For now, we will put it as 1. Please do check the quantity that you're purchasing. FB is what you're purchasing, the stock, the price. You can request for a lower price as long as someone in the market is willing to sell you at a lower price. So this is the range that currently people are purchasing it at. So usually I will just try to, you can ask for 50. Okay, and then see that it's a day trade. What does a day trade means? Meaning you're putting in the order for the day, and once the market closes, this will get if it doesn't trigger, that means if nobody sells the stock to you, then by the end of the day it will just close by itself, so you don't get the stock. Okay, if you put it as good till close, GTC, it means it will be there forever until you go in to close it. Okay, then you confirm and send, and you'll have this another little pop-up window which pops out, which is very important. Okay, so what this shows is that you are ordering to buy 1 Facebook share at a price of $295 or $295.50. Cost of your trade is $295.50. For stocks, there's no commission, so it's $0 commission. Usually if there's commissions, they will show you the commission amount. So your buying power, you don't have to worry about this. This is basically to do with how much you have in your account. All right, your buying power for your next stock, because if you're using 295, this is the balance, right? Okay, so if you're comfortable with this trade, you can just send in the order. Okay, once you send in the order, go back to your monitor tab and you will see the position open here. So you'll see under working orders, this is a working order, so someone have not taken sold you the share yet. So you will see it under your working order. Once the share is filled, you will see it under your filled orders. All right. You can also make changes. Let's say you see the market is dropping and you want to buy it at a cheaper price, and if the trade is not triggered yet, you can always go in, right click, you can cancel the order, or you can replace the order. So you can cancel and replace it. So now I want to ask, maybe, okay, I see that people are not selling it to me at 295.50, so let me put it a little higher, 2960, 295.60 maybe. Okay, hopefully someone sells it to me. So again, I check 295.60, no commissions, and I'm only buying one Facebook. It's replacing the previous order. I'm replacing this previous order which I placed at 295.5. Okay, and then you can send. So you will cancel the first order that you put, and it has replaced it. So you can see 295.6. So you just got to wait for someone to actually sell you the stock, and then you will own the stock. So the good thing about the US stock market is you can even own one stock. Yeah. Okay, now let's look at how to change the settings to ensure that when you are, so you go to setup, okay, application settings, and then you go to your order defaults. Okay, I would suggest, okay, go to your order defaults and then change this default quantity of orders to 1. All right, in increments of 1, 2. Don't put it as 100, and apply your setting. Okay, you can do the same thing if you are going to place options. Okay, options, also default setting to be 1. All right, and order increment ensure it's 1, and you apply your settings. Okay, so now when I actually place the order, if you see, let's do it again, buy, you will see it appears as 1 now. All right, so it's always 1. So if you want to increase, you can increase it, and the price will follow through. So you see 1 share, your price, you're buying it at 295. I'm going to put it to 6, and then when you confirm, so if I'm buying, let's say 10 shares, all right, and when I confirm and send, that will show buying 10 FB shares at 295.6. So the total value of my trade is 2956. All right, so and then you can send. Okay, so this is how you can place trades on your ThinkorSwim. So you can proceed to also look at other stocks, Microsoft. Okay, if you don't know the ticker name, you can always just type the company's name, it will still appear. All right, Microsoft, Visa. All right, it's here. Okay, so hope the video was useful, and I hope you have opened your paper trading account and started taking your first trade. All right, I'll catch up with you on another video if possible. All right, see you. Bye bye.